is currently 6:46 a.m. and yes, I'm awake. I have been waking up really early recently and I don't really know why, but I have to whisper because everyone else in my family is probably asleep. And I'm here on my laptop. I'm working on a Patreon upload. I started working on it last night, but I fell asleep because I was just really tired from editing. So I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna add timestamps, which is why I have my iPad here, but I have my water here. I think I'm gonna turn my TV on and put on some Bar Rescue because I've been addicted to watching that. I'm gonna have that on in the background while I work on this. So I'm making my remote. The fact that I just immediately started the vlog without saying welcome to vlogmas 2023 has started. Welcome to vlogmas day 1. It is literally about to be 7. I'm pretty much done with everything that I need to do for this Patreon video. I'm gonna wait till it turns 7 to publish it for early access. Like I said, this is the Studio 2 marathon. I added the timestamps, added the tags, and added it to the collections. Okay, published now. That it needed to be added to. Literally just went up. Here's the thumbnail. Here are all the timestamps. And it's in collections, and those are the tags I added. So it literally just went up for early access, as you can see. This is 1 week early access. Oh, that's up now. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and edit my Patreon video for Team. I'll have to delete this off my iPad first. And then edit the Patreon video for Team. With the milk and butter or on top of the, it says to pour over the milk, but update, it is now 10:59 a.m. I just made me and my sister some Annie's organic pasta. I've never had this before. When I was tasting like a single like shell, I don't really like it that much, and it's okay. Like, it's not my favorite. Maybe because I've never really had organic like pasta before, but this is the breakfast of the day. And I'm watching bar rescue. That's gonna be the morning. And then I'm gonna edit. And we're going to the store later because we need to get tissue. What the fuck? Is this my bang? Anyways, that's the morning so far. Now, I'm gonna eat this. I want some bar rescue. Okay, update. It is currently Alexa. Oh, she's not plugged in. 12:06 p.m. and we went to the store. I bought some tissue because we had none left. And now we checked the mail too, and I have PC mail. So we're gonna open the PC mail. I have two Zhang PCs. I have two Zhang PCs that I've been waiting for because I received one the other day. Ooh. I have the oven mitt one, and then I have a melting point PC. So we're gonna find out together which PC it is. Oh, thank you for buying from me. Hope Hal gets to safely. I was gonna say, oh, wait, I'm scared. Oh my god, I've never seen anybody pack like a PC in this. Oh, it says 감사합니다. Hopefully I said that right. I think it's melting point. It's the melting point PC. Oh my god, wait, why is this stuck? I just bent it. Please don't come for my neck. Okay, it's fine. Look at it. It's so pretty. I've never seen anybody pack a PC in a shipping shield, but I might keep it for just in case I run out of like a top loader. But yeah, that's what the seller. But this is my first melting point card. Look how fucking gorgeous it is. So pretty. The PC mail, I'm gonna put him in my binder. I don't have a respective place for melting point photo cards yet because I'm still collecting Youth in the Shade. I'm gonna do like a whole photo card collection like soon and eventually, but for now I think I like made a page for melting point. I did, so I'm just gonna stick him in there. Oh my god, why? I'm gonna put him in like a new sleeve in a little while. I'm kind of lazy right now, but the hell? I put this in upside down. Oh my god, I'm like fixing it. So I'm gonna stick him in here. I'm gonna stick him in between like the Youth in the Shade. Because I have all my Youth in the Shade. I have the Oven Mitt one here, and then I'll be missing one for Youth in the Shade. I might get his digipack, but for right now I'll just put the melting point PC in here because I'm also collecting Hanbin for debut, and I haven't started like melting point collections yet. But I did find this for like $8, so I did purchase it. But it's so pretty. Ugh, I need to swallow it. Update, I did my hair. I trimmed my bangs, I think you saw. Smooch. I curled the ends with my flat iron because I have a whole curly iron, but I curled the ends with my flat iron, and I have the little like salon clips in my hair. Kind of look like bows, so I think they look cute. But this is the outfit. This shirt is from, where did I get it from? And then these are from Vegas actually, because they have like my government name on them. This shirt like crosses this way. It's from Romwe. That's where I got it from. I got it from Romwe like years ago. I think it's in one of my old like Romwe hauls. But this is the hair. I'm gonna add accessories. I'm gonna be recording for Ann Team, and so that's why I decided to put pink on. But this is the outfit. I like how my posters look right here. Like I wish I could film like right here, like with like for like my reaction videos, but I can't because my laptop opens and it's gonna cover the camera. So I feel so pretty. Yes, I know this is dirty and I didn't clean it, but I added the accessories. I'm wearing my little, these are both from Romwe. I didn't put any earrings on, but, and then I have everything queued up on OBS. Have the dropkick music video. I really do want to watch some, like, at least like another Patreon, like I want to watch something for Patreon. So I have to go through that and figure out what I'm gonna watch. I'm not gonna have this shirt on though, because once I'm done recording this video, I'm taking it off because I told myself I was gonna wear pink because he has pink highlights, but not here. But we're gonna get started. And I'm fucking scared. Okay, just recorded for Ann Team and I have a raging headache now, and I don't know if it's because I haven't ate dinner, but I'm gonna change out of this shirt and put this one on because this is a shirt that my grandma gave me that I just never like gave back. So okay, this is what, you know, I just changed the shirt and now I have my nachimbong. Yeah, I have the nachimbong. I'm still wearing the same shorts. It's just bigger, and I did change my bra because I find it so uncomfortable to wear regular ones, so I put a sports bra back on because yes. So now we're gonna do skis. I'm gonna do their BBMA stages because I never got to them and I really need to. It's gonna be for Patreon obviously, so if you're interested in like any live stages or anything, you can go to my Patreon and I have all the content there. I think by the time, well, I want to try to get this up tomorrow, like the day you're seeing this, so hopefully it'll be up by then. But time to do skis. Okay, done recording. Just finished Skis BBMA stage, and then I watched them like win their award. I'm gonna set this down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and remix, is how you say it, remix the footage. Basically means it's just gonna make it like from the MKV file, and it's gonna like convert it to MP4, so I can like be able to like import it into my editing program and edit the video. So that's what it's gonna do. I, on the other hand, have a huge ass headache and I'm really getting tired, but I'm gonna put the nachimbong back on my shelf and put my headphones up. I think it's on my bed because I might use them to edit later. I need to find dinner because it's 6 p.m. and I'm really hungry, so I need to find out what I'm eating. There's another box of pasta that I might make. I'm gonna go ahead and like clean up my desk area because I kind of have things all over it. So while this is like, you know, like converting, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse because I don't want to take 50 gigabytes of space on my phone. What the hell? I heard you play music. pretty much done. I still have it on like low. There's dinner. It is 9:19 and I just finished editing my Anteam catch-up for Patreon, so this is exporting. And I'm really tired. I am really tired, so while this is exporting, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I don't think I'm gonna start in this vlog until the morning because I have no energy and I'm ready to lay down. So I'm gonna go brush my teeth. You can barely see me, but I'm gonna go ahead and end vlogmas day 1 here. It was a very long day, it feels like, and I'm in bed now, ready to sleep. It is like 9 something, I think. I edited the Patreon video and I transported it to my laptop, so all I have to do in the morning is upload it. Before this vlog ends, I'm gonna cut this in. But me and my sister set up the Christmas tree yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert those clips here, that clip here. I'm gonna edit this vlog in the morning because I don't upload videos on this channel until like 12 in the afternoon, so I have time in the morning to edit. Hopefully I don't take a century because I'm a perfectionist when it comes to editing. So I will see you tomorrow for vlogmas day 2, and I do want to make a Christmas related like wish list video, so stay on the lookout for that. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.